Welcome back to another AI Exam Tutor AS Biology in a single month video. And in this video I'm running a bit behind, but we're on day 6. So yeah, this is the 2021 Biology Edexcel A AS paper 1. And you can see I'm just answering them, going through them. And for this one I actually look at a few past papers because of course AI Exam Tutor only specialises in written questions, but for the actual exam I have to deal with calculations and multiple choice as well as diagram questions, so got to make sure I'm focused on those as well. And I've also gone through a few flashcards found on Physics Maths Tutor just so I can solidify knowledge. You can see I'm learning about protein synthesis and translation specifically here, endocytosis, exocytosis, and yeah, I've seen improvements. My test percentage now is at 72%, so broken into the 70s. I hope on the next one I can break into the 80s, maybe even 90s. But yeah, I'm just going to hopefully be able to get to 100 by the end of this month. You can see I completely fumbled that question, got 0 out of 5, so that happens sometimes. I think it's just because the mark scheme is just talking about something completely different. But other than that, it's alright. And one concern I have is that it's easy to write a lot when you're typing, but when it comes to actually writing, I have to find a way to condense down the words because it's hard to write this much. But that's alright. And here you can see I'm just learning about shrimps, and the thing about invertebrates is that they actually get repeated. So there's another seahorse question in the previous paper, and I thought that was going to be a one-off, but it's not. It's actually repeated. So they do tend to repeat a lot of different types of questions. Here, just solidifying knowledge. And yeah, it's interesting to note that crabs, lobsters, and shrimp are all invertebrates. You think since they have a hard exoskeleton, they have a spinal cord and proper nervous system, but they actually don't. I also learned what the role of a glycoprotein was that acts as a receptor, disaturates. They don't always have to contain the 1,4-glycosidic bond. And these common questions can be a bit weird because it's hard to determine what you need, but you can usually just manipulate data and get it. Again, here I was focused too much on phospholipid bilayer and forgot the other two factors. Same sort of thing for aquatic animals when it comes to experiments. And yeah, we're into the 90th percent. So from here it's just sort of recalling what the mark scheme wants and just honing in on that exam technique, which is great. So yeah, we only have one paper left in this series, and then I should start moving on to the A-level papers, old paper 2s, but yeah, we'll see. So thanks for watching, and that was day 6 of Biology in a Month. Bye.